Attention affiliate marketers. Are you ready to add high-demand financial products to your affiliate marketing portfolio and boost your earnings? Join the movement by becoming an affiliate for our cutting-edge credit software. Why partner with us? Revolutionary credit software that's Metro compliant and in high demand, competitive commissions, earn big. Every time you help someone improve their credit access to exclusive marketing materials and personalized support. Be part of a booming industry that offers real value to your audience, grow your brand, and make an impact in the credit repair industry who are looking for affiliate marketers who are passionate about digital products and financial growth. Those with audiences interested in credit repair, personal finance, and entrepreneurship. Go-getters ready to build relationships and make high-ticket commissions. Why this is a win for you proven product. Help your audience with a credit solution they actually need. Earn top-tier commissions on every sale. Get access to a supportive community of like-minded affiliates. Supercharge your earnings with lifetime commissions and ongoing support. Ready to join? DM me now or drop a comment below to learn how you can start earning big with our credit software. Shoot me an email at kateb@brownbagconsultants.com for more details. Visit our website, digcreditsuccess.com, for an inside look at the software you'll be promoting. Want to chat? Schedule a quick call with me here, https://tidycal.com, Cantarian30, on 15-minute meeting. Don't miss out on this exciting opportunity. Get in touch today and start earning big as one of our top affiliates.